Hello and welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Today we had the best game of the IPL so far, a last ball thriller between the Delhi Capitals and the Gujarat Titans. There was Prasidh Krishna versus David Miller, and it was 2 of 2. David Miller, unfortunately, he didn't take the single, which will be the talking point. He didn't trust Kuldeep Yadav with 1 run of 1 ball, which is very shocking for a lot of us. But at the same time, Prasidh Krishna held his nerve, bowled the last ball dot as well. Butler, what a run out from him. An incredible game of cricket. Joining me is Faiz man. Twist and turns. This is IPL is finally IPLing.
ऐसे सिचुएशन में हमेशा डेविड मिलर कहाँ से आ जाता भाई. What a 506 meter. Credit to Siraj to make it interesting. I mean, I'm just saying it to just question myself because obviously मेरे को सिराज पसंद and unfortunate 23 runs over में एक टाइम पे ऐसा लग रहा था मुसाफिर that it was done 36 in 2 overs. Like you and given Gujarat bowling attack हम सोच रहे थे कि भाई खत्म हो गया है मैच, but David Miller to come out and do that in a situation where already your finger or your hand whatever is injured, magic spray लगा लो, कुछ भी लगा लो, psychological, आप सोचते what a game of cricket. Delhi Capitals ऐसा victory छुए फिर नहीं छुए फिर छुए फिर गुजरात finally. Prasidh Krishna, man, salute. 2 balls जो आप डाले, crazy.
And the main man to talk about, who's always also on the crime scene. We've talked about Siraj and we've talked about David Miller, but Josh Butler, last ball runouts, man. He did it in the World Cup final super over. And now again with the gloves on, great throw from him. But थोड़ा सा पहली इनिंग की बात कर लेंगे. वहां पे जल्दी विकेट चलेगी साई सुदर्शन की. फिर जॉर्ज बटलर जो मोमेंटम चेंज करा गुजरात के लिए, पावर प्ले का पूरा फुल इस्तेमाल करा. दैट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And Shubman Gill took his time, but then he started getting into the game. Butler got out, but Washington Sundar came, played a very good role as well. So these three batted very good for Gujarat and allowed them to go to the 200 mark.
It's a very similar template, Mustafa, agar DC or Gujarat ka dekho. Like KL Rahul needs someone like a George Butler, and Shubman Gill also needs someone like a George Butler. In KL situation, they had Sanka who got early. In their situation, Sai Sudarshan is very similar to Gill. And this is what Josh Butler के duty in Gujarat Titans is very over expecting from him, right? Like हमेशा आप उसको 50 और 30 मारो बोल रहे, हमेशा 70 और 40 मारो. फिर भी that is the quality of Josh Butler that he delivers time and again. And the last season he was doing more often than not. And again today, जैसा आप बोले, like he came into rhythm. मैं I think आप बोल रहा था कि January से पहले नहीं मारे थे by 50, and today he showed us his quality and the range of shots. By this guy is on his day one of the best T20 batters in the world without a shadow of a doubt. And Shubman Gill, like, coming back from an injury, obviously had a muscle spasm in his back. He managed to get the runs. Credit to him as well. And alongside him, Washington Sundar, 100 partnership between those two. That putting Gujarat Titans, ahead. They were probably aiming 220, 215, 220, 230. But a couple of good overs by Ngidi, man. That guy really changed the momentum for Delhi Capitals with the ball as well.
Yeah, man, and Giddy also bowled really well. Both sides, man. This is what you want IPL में, like कभी match इधर जाओ उधर जाओ. There's heroes from both teams. There's villains on the other team. But then when you look at the Delhi Capitals batting, Nissanka Rahul got them off to a very good start. The start that they needed, जो उन लोग miss कर रहे थे पहले 2 game में. But it was that Rashid Khan spell, man. उन्हें आके पूरा slow कर दिया. What are those figures, man? Under 6 runs and over again. 3 for 17 and 4 overs, man. That's like what a run rate of almost 4.5, 5. Incredible bowling from him, and that put the pressure on Delhi Capitals.
And that is where again I would like KL Rahul is okay. Miller what did, but Akshar Patel, like the captain.
Yeah.
You are going against him. When you're seeing one guy is in the momentum. आपको रहना पड़ेगा वो टाइम पे. I'm not saying कि चलो मैच खरीद आ गया, the different story. But अक्षर पटेल भी capability रखते हैं, समझ रखते हैं कि भाई आप अब नीतीश राणा भी will get over there. But like Rashid Khan has been, he's been discredited for the last couple of years. 24 World Cup के बाद हमें माल में shoulder injury थी, उनको operation हुआ है उनका. And this is why Gujarat Titans give him that money. And this is the value that he brings to the team. जो उन्हें समीर रिजवी जो उनका most best batsman रहा इस सीजन में, जो बॉल डाल के डिसीव करा through the gates by, and this is exactly what Mustafa Bhai and Irfan Pathan both, well, what you were saying.
Yeah, he said it.
Both said it, and my credit to even you going and doing that analysis, right? Like जो तरीके से उन्हें टिप्पे पे डाला बॉल and अंदर हिटी वो बॉल भाई प्यारा delivery, and then the other one is getting Akshar Patel. I forgot the other wicket, Nitish Rana maybe, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe Nissanka, one of these guys that Rashid Khan got out. So 3 wickets that he's got in at crucial intervals of the game. really did not have an answer to his bowling.
Yeah.
He was so good today.
He's a difference. आप दो अगर आप 2 रन का 1 रन का विक्ट्री रहता ना, ये वाला डिफरेंस आता आपको, लाइक इसलिए मेरे लिए वही मैन ऑफ द मैच, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट ही डिड गेट मैन ऑफ द मैच एंड he deserves every bit of it. The way he bowled was crazy. David Miller also we have to consider कि भाई इंजरी हुई उसकी, he had to go back. KL Rahul पे उस पे प्रेशर आ गया था. He tried to hit, and to be very honest, he took it close, got out at the wrong time. Obviously, you want him to finish off games like these, but then Miller had his back. He came back and he smashed it. He got the game in Delhi's hands. But it is that fine margin जब आप 2 of 2 है, single ले लो. Like I understand winning mentality, you want to win the game, but you have better chances of winning the game by taking that single rather than not taking the single.
Yeah, वही है यार, like it is the moment in which adrenaline and momentum and सब आपके दिमाग में चल जाता है. आपने 106 का छक्का भी मारा है, but आपका तजुर्बा भी उतना ही हुआ है. Like in chasing efficiency of South Africa, he's come in such situation. Gujarat Titans, he's come in such situation. And KD is the guy. Kuldeep Yadav भी first ball का कुछ single दे ही दिया था. थोड़ा confidence बता सकते हैं. I can understand his part, but I will definitely understand what you guys are saying and everybody saying that 2 of 2 at least it's securing a super over and not losing a game.
Yeah, 100%. Like that's what you have to look at, and then the bowler. There is Kuldeep also can finish it, but the bowler can also pull an extra wide. You have all these things. The pressure is on the bowler because आप match हार गए already. Like जीते नहीं, sorry.
आप undermine करके कुलदीप को कुछ और डाल देंगे and Kuldeep might come up with the boundary.
Yeah. You're giving yourself the best chance to win the game in that situation. If it was 3 of 1, then obviously Miller takes the strike, in my opinion. But this is the IPL. By IPL में ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, and finally as a game मिला, we're kind of missing these kind of matches because we're so used to it in the IPL. But you have to understand, अभी बहुत matches है IPL के, right? It's a different kind of system. And also I feel over the last few years, because some teams have done great auctions, some teams have done horrible auctions, there is a gap now, and you can see it. You can see a clear gap there, and I feel that even in this game, Delhi probably the better team, but Gujarat is not too bad. So when you have games like these, it makes it more interesting. It puts the fans on the edge of the seats. For Gujarat Titans, obviously Siraj had a bad over, but at the end of the day, I think they will stick to that because he did get the wicket of KL Rahul, but we will probably stick to this 11 for now.
Yeah, I think I would maybe now looking at how Siraj bowled today in the death, maybe replan that. I think Rabada in the death, probably Siraj in the middle overs, apart 1-2 overs in the power play. Power play maybe thoda he is losing his knack. He did get hit back to back, I think against the previous man. I forgot who it was, but Siraj in the middle overs, 11 पर just field spread out, वहाँ पे बहुत effective है. Like there he is able to, because field spread है, उसको भी confidence है. Though wherever he goes, I think even for domestic he does both power play, but somewhere down the line in the IPL it's very difficult to maintain that momentum. And like you said, KL की wicket लिया, but next में you should have been more confident. But David Miller was on a different level. आप भी हैबत में आ गए, आप भी tension में आ गए. So maybe Siraj की planning, Shubman has to look at how he can adjust him best. Philip Washington Sundar, could he have gone that way? I think after that KL, I still think Shubman did a decent captaincy job, and how he played Rashid Khan, that was a very
very captain.
Now there is a question where Rabada को सवाल बेटा के holder को लाने for the extra batting, different finishing, because Shahrukh Khan Tiwari अगर आज तो नहीं खेले, but there is that void that in their middle order will be fixed, and also in the bowling.
Yeah, you could do that. I mean, you can definitely try holder. That's the thing. They have so many foreign options. आप कोई भी decision ले, it's not wrong because like सब class players है, उसमें सब international players है. अब क्या Siraj का क्या? You don't like, you wouldn't really go to Arshad because Siraj is the international guy over there. When it's foreign players, you can make that call. अगर आपको batting improve करना है, आप कर सकते हैं, वैसा कोई problem नहीं है. But Rabada आपको दिखाते हैं वो bat के साथ भी मार सकता है, और उसके 3 game he's not done anything wrong. When he does something wrong, maybe that's when you can make the move. Like it is a possible move. I really like Jason Holder. Like I think it's a possible move. But if you're Rabada, if you're looking from his point of view, he's like, what did I do that wrong? I did get hit in the last game, but if you're looking from his point of view, but it's not a wrong call if you want to be very ruthless and you want, or not ruthless, if you're very desperate for a batting in the middle order, फिर आप कर सकते हैं वो.
I think this call maybe would have made if they lost, but I think they won there. What they will look at the positives, the negatives are always a lot. But for them, the most positive thing out of this whole game today was George Butler and Rashid Khan. I think these two players, their foreign output giving them the required contributions to win the game. I think George Butler today have helped them leaps and bounds. Like.
Yeah, 100%, man. This is the best game of the IPL so far. Hopefully, we get more matches like these. For Delhi Capitals, not too much to worry. I mean, theek hai, like match haar gaye, but it's still a long season. Obviously, if they keep losing, then we'll talk about it a bit more. But at least a big positive is that the openers have played very well.
Nissanka has been shouting out Nissanka.
Yeah, Nissanka, and like he's gotten runs in both games. KL has finally got like a big score. So I think they still obviously there are room for improvement. I think डेविड मिलर का वो इंजरी भी होगी, थोड़ा सा अनलकी थे बीच में.
वही आपका आई थिंक एंड में वो रन ले लिया था.
एंड उनके बाद विपराज भी लाइक रन मार दिया था. देयर इज एक्चुअली मोर पॉजिटिव्स एंड नेगेटिव्स, बट थोड़ा बहुत उनको देखना बॉल के साथ भी एनगीडी को सपोर्ट चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत. The other guys, Mukesh had a bad game.
Vipraj had a bad
game. Aksar had a bad game.
Aksar has to get checked.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा.
नहीं, I mean not in a bad, but अक्सर की जो पावर प्ले में आप देखो 22 आ गए थे, फिर एक और ओवर डाला उसने 32 आ गए थे, 32, and then with the bat he's looking ineffective. Yeah. He will come back, don't get me wrong, but I'm just saying like he needs to look at where he has to also contribute with himself, how he plays himself.
Yeah, I mean fair enough. I think it's a good point. Yeah. I mean like obviously वही है कि 2 or 3 of the good players didn't have.
राशिद को मैं अटैक कर दिया जाके.
हाँ?
राशिद को भी मैं मारूंगा जाके across the line.
Yeah. He didn't have the best of games. लेकिन it's still a long season. I think for the table is very good, not for Sunrisers, but for the table is very good that Gujarat won. It makes it a bit, more interesting and competitive. But thank you very much for joining. Thank you guys as well. Hopefully we get more games like this, but it gives us also the motivation to keep going. And we want to see these kind of matches in IPL because it's a very long season. And make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, do comment on the video as well. And take care, everybody. See you guys later on in the day. Take care.